I'm marching till it's over. I'm just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward. Always getting closer, marching till it's over. I'm just like a soldier.
Hello everyone, and my name is Rachel, and this is High Toy Gacha Figure. Exquisite basic high toys gacha evolved, and let's review. This is hand, abnormal hands. So there the piece articulation is good. And let's see the articulations. You can use fables in arms and rotate or as you want. Yeah, this one. Yeah, articulation is good, but there's something to be there. And multiple also beats like this, and the swivels as this one, and you can just the problem the neck part can look up, but you can look only just the body. Yeah, see, and that change properly, and the bit can rotate and swivels, and here, yeah, like this, and you can anchor, but you can update. I hope the person to is will be better and can yeah, can like this, and this, yeah, you can change the tail. It's good, but I hope the updated person this one can this, yeah, can this to this the tail part, and that's the front sides. You can open mouth and look left and right, and you can look down couch and fix the dorsal pins where did you came from. So okay, let's change the arms. Yeah, the arms, hands. Yeah, you can change it. Yep. Articulation is good, but I hope everyone understand. I buy this from High Toys Videos, but this is from Sasabi, from Iron from Philippines. That's why they're using Shopee, not High Toys. I don't have dollars, but only pesos from Philippines. Yeah, look. The details is the design is good, but just the problem the neck part can look up because I don't know why. I hope the next person too will be upgrade this one, and next two the next part is nice, and the bit alternation is good, but the size small like previous my Energized Gaza was bigger than him, so tail was good. Yeah, you can do this. You can run him like this. Random sounds. And like this. You can run, but we need to focus the seconds. There you go. Yeah, this is like the running, and you can finish style, finish style. Win the calculation is good. Win, yeah. Look, he can swim like the gator. Other gator can swim because he was in underwater. He can die. Downloading from Hunger Earth. He was soaring in space, and he was attacking Simu. and he can sleep mode. Sleep mode. Yeah, let me try sleep mode. Yeah, let me try sleep mode. Like this. Like this. This one. Yeah, skip mode. Yeah, sleep mode. Yeah, this is looking like this. Sleep mode. He was sleeping. Yay! With me. Okay, I'm not sure about the posted from the scenes. How about the scenes? He was showing. Yeah, from the movie. Yeah, you can do that from the movie. Yeah, and I will try the account person. The post. I will try. Yeah, just not the post because I can do that. Also, I hope they update it soon. Oh, Attack on Titan, please, version. Let me try. Oops, one version. Okay, and use the yeah. You can try this. He was getting that. Yep. Yeah, like this. Wow. Thanks. From Iron Karate. Yeah. Like this. Yeah, you can do that. As you want to pose. About Attack on Titan, please. Like the Eren Yeager, like this. Yeah, I made it. Yeah. Yeah. So this is the bigger, and so this is I will buy my target is Hong with axe. Exquisite basic high choice. Yeah, I will make that. So thanks for watching everyone, and I have enjoyed the video, and I forgot to review the another schedule, but I will post it soon. So I'll be busy for my serious stuff and reaction video, and I hope thanks for watching, and thank you guys next time. Peace.
Couldn't even hear me if I yelled. It's so cold outside, I'm alone